What's the meaning of alcoholic? Alcoholic. 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 Alcoholic.
Alcoholic is an adjective that describes someone or something that is related to or contains alcohol. It can also reference someone who is addicted to drinking alcohol, which can have significant negative effects on their health, relationships, and work or school performance. Long-term alcohol abuse can lead to liver damage, high blood pressure, and mental health problems. It can also contribute to accidents and injuries caused by impaired judgment and coordination. Treatment options include therapy, support groups, and medication-assisted treatment.